Hey, what's going on, guys? Will's Garage here. So I just want to post a quick video just to share an issue I recently had on my F10 M5. And the issue happened immediately after I changed the spark plugs and ignition coils. The car was running completely fine before that, but right after I changed out the plugs and coils, I started up the car and I got an error, and that error is drivetrain malfunction. And there could be a multitude of reasons why you would get this error code. Normally it's related to the ignition or fuel system of the car, but in this case I knew it had to do exactly with the ignition because the car was running completely fine before that. So initially when I ran the codes, it threw all kinds of codes. I think I had a total of 56 codes. Unfortunately I didn't record it here, but I'm not gonna lie, that scared the crap out of me. So I cleared out the codes and went back and did a visual inspection and pushed down on all the coils just to make sure they were fully seated, and everything looked fine. So I went to start the car, try it again, and still same issue happened. But this time around I ran the codes again and it only gave me 11. So I was able to zone in specifically on which cylinders had the issue, and that was cylinders 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so I just removed everything on bank 1 and checked cylinder 2. This one looked okay, but I just pulled the coil out and reseated it, as well as the connection. I just did the same for cylinder 3, which the connection did look loose on this one. This connection, cylinder 4, as you can see right there, the connector is slightly loose. I didn't notice that the first time I installed it, but now I'm going to remove it and reseat the coil and the connector. Just going to clear them. Clear memory. Alright, so it's all cleared. Alright, so I'm ready to start it up now. Fingers crossed. Please work. Oh, thank the Lord. Running fine so far, no errors. Alright guys, lessons learned. Make sure the connection on your coils is intact.